Hey guys, Gaming Cart 6 here. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I couldn't really think of making videos up sooner or later, but this video is going to show how a bird got in my dad's car. I don't know how. Me and my dad tried finding it, but we kind of gave up, so hope you enjoy.
How did it get in there?
Oh, okay.
Oh, I think it just ran into something.
Oh, is he still in there? Hope we didn't chop him up. Look out, he's gonna fly out.
Birdie.
Bird.
Did you chop him up or something?
Dad,
Hopefully
why'd
we
you
didn't-
kill him?
Hopefully we didn't kill the bird.
Why did you kill him?
That's not funny.
Is he under the car?
There's be a dead bird in your car.
Seriously?
No, I don't see.
He's not in there.
Did you like start the car or something?
Accidentally?
And it would go if there wasn't a bird in there.
Oh my god, tell me we didn't kill the bird.
No, bird, he died. Or she.
Seriously? Oh man, look at I got a power wash. Look at all that stone on there. Hello, birdie. Is there a bird on the ground?
No, I checked
This
him.
bird poop. I scared the poop out of him. Seriously. In the house.
You literally scared the poop out of him.
Man, really, where's the bird, man? It's so not good. I heard him go doop doop.
Was he like a white?
It's like great.
I saw something move up in the front out here when we first pulled in. He could have flew away or something.
No way. He was in there. Hello, bird. Hello, bird. Seriously, bird. Come on. Are you kidding me? Are you still video recording?
Yeah,
Yeah, is that bird?
I think it's a Houdini or something.
Seriously, look underneath. Get on the ground. Get on your knees. And
There's no bird under here.
I hope I didn't chop him up.
That would have been bad.
I really would be upset.
That wouldn't be good. I think you might be gone though.
Somehow, somewhere, really, I don't know, man. Let's go wave. Maybe if he's in here, he'll fly away.